Hey, welcome to this video. My parents wanted me to be safe using a chainsaw and chainsaw wheels that they purchased for me to do some wood carving work and other things like that. Thanks to them for getting that for me. It's a really great, generous gift. And to go with that, they got me some gloves from this company, Gailton. And so I thought that I would open them for you. They're supposed to be, they're Kevlar and with goat skin on the outside. They have this really cool texture, like a plastic and a desiccant packet. That's kind of funny to me. Wow, these are cool. Let me adjust the camera. Yeah, these are really cool. They're goat skin on the outside, which is really, really tough, I've heard. I mean, I've used it for making drums before, so somehow, for some reason, that rubber kind of sticks together. So I think, anyway, oh yeah, here's the Kevlar inside. Excuse me. Comfy. They feel like I should be like in a sci-fi movie. Look at the way that bends. And this is awesome. It's padded in the palm. That is amazing. That is so nice to help with vibration for extended work. So it also has this safety information right here. I think. I didn't look that close at it. I don't understand what that means, but I'm very excited. They're super comfy. They're very flexible. That leather is pretty soft. So, yeah. Thanks, Mom and Dad. These are cool. Oh. I forgot to say, I wanted to say, I'm here waiting for, I'm working on this kilt and I just ironed it and I'm waiting for it to dry. So I'm excited about that. It's almost done.